right, this is our last question, question 15, and then you will have your test tomorrow. And guys, if you've gone over these, then I want you to feel confident that you are prepared, because I'm making the test very, very similar to these. I'm just changing names and numbers. That's really it. But the questions are going to be very, very, very similar. All right, so it says, Madeline has 4 rolls of tape. All right, so I want you to imagine that. She has 4 rolls. Each roll contains 63 inches of tape. All right, so I can imagine that. That's going to be important. 4 rolls and 63 each one. All right. Madeline used, she used 42 inches of tape for a project. Which diagram shows a way to find in the number of inches of tape that Madeline has left? All right, so I want you to imagine 4 rolls of tape, and each one has 63. So that means I need the number 63 listed 4 times. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are my 4 rolls with 63 inches. C and D don't have that. Then it says she used 42 inches, which means you're taking away that amount. You're subtracting that amount. So A doesn't even have the 42 on there. So when I look at B, remember when it's on an opposite line, that means subtraction. And N would tell me how much she has left out of this total. So B is the correct picture.